is a room tour. 4:30 बजीसम्म बसेर पार्टी गरेको रुम यस्तै हुन्छ। म हैन है फेरि साथीभाइहरू मात्रै हो। ठुलो घरै बुक गरेका छन् केटाहरूले। This is the place we had stayed yesterday night. It's a service apartment. We had a good time here. Now we are going for a breakfast. My friends will be leading me. We'll have breakfast. We'll go to Ernakulam. Ernakulam is not that far away. It's just 183 kilometers. But because of the road condition, you all know that will take time. And we will be going through coastal highway. And as per Google, right time is around a little more than 5 hours. Yesterday, these people had party. They were up till 4:30, but we didn't take that risk. I didn't even consume alcohol yesterday. I thought I shouldn't be doing that because on the go, you know, it's not 1 day or 2 days journey. I am doing a long journey. And good morning, people. Welcome to my channel, which is all about travel views and reviews. And look at my old friends. No, they're young at heart. Only one old. So there's Rojit, Tarun, Dijit, his little one, Shinoy. Few local from here, and Vijay sir. This is the place we had our breakfast. I had appam. He also had appam. These people had dosa and something. And now we are making a move. Hope the ride is gonna be sexy as always. I'll see you guys from the road now. Bye bye. Bye bye, darling.
Bye bro. Bye bye.
Bye da. Why is he feeling shy? I don't know. Appa share da macha. Kanam. Sir, gumaunas. So we are leaving Calicut now. दुईटा ट्रेनले अड्काइदियो यार, एउटा यता जाने एउटा यता जाने. Let's go for a नारियल पानी break. Right now we are in Malappuram district. And it's said that this district major population is from Muslim community, but I'm not sure if the information is right or not, because personally I don't think it is like that, because I see every kind of people here, you know, because it's not the first time I'm coming here. I've come here many times. So after this Malappuram district, we will be entering Thrissur district, and then from Thrissur we will be entering Ernakulam district. So that will be the place where we are staying tonight. Google says it's 3 hours 33 minutes more. The time now is 11:52 AM, and we have done 47.9 kilometers till now from the hotel that we had stayed yesterday. There are 14 districts in Kerala. Yesterday, after crossing Mangalore, first district was Kasaragod. After Kasaragod, we came to Kannur. From Kannur, we came to Calicut. That is yesterday where we stayed. Now we are in another district called Malappuram district. After Malappuram, we will be entering Thrissur district, and from Thrissur, we will be entering Ernakulam district. And Ernakulam district is where we are staying tonight. ചേട്ടാ ഇത് ഏത് സ്ഥലം? വാടാനപ്പള്ളിയാണോ? ഇനി തൃപ്രയാർ എത്ര കിലോമീറ്റർ ഉണ്ട് ചേട്ടന്? 5 किलोमिटर लो. थ्याङ्क यू. अब बाटो सोध्दै जानु पऱ्यो क्या, यो म्यापमा त्रिपुरार मलाई सर्च गर्ने आएन होइन. 5 किलोमिटर मात्रै अगाडि हो अरे. हुन त मलाई थाहा छ यो बाटो, त्यही भएर फरक नपर्ला कि जस्तो लाग्छ म्याप नभए पनि. മൂവായിരത്തി സംതിങ് ആയിരിക്കും. പോവാം. ആവണം സാർ. अनि हिजोको भन्दा बेटर हुन्छ होला. കുഴപ്പമില്ല. ഇല്ല कारवार. അവൻ മാംഗ്ലൂരിലാണ് ബെസ്റ്റ്. यसको 650cc छ क्या, त्यो तल देख्नु होइन, त्यो बुलेटको इन्टरसेप्टर त्यो छ. So this is Nichu. That's his short name. We call him. His full name is Nishan Appu Guttan. Appu Gutta Tuppikara Eppu Kalyanam. Magar Masit Tappu Kalyanam. This guy is Sudu. His name is Rajneesh, but we call him Sudu. And your name is? Jijesh. Rajneesh Jijesh. Rajneesh and Jijesh. We can call him Jiji. And I just came to know that we have met already in the past. But time, you know. Nice meeting you.
You come.
No, they're planning from last 20 years.
Dubai.
Demacha, bada. So this is the place we had our food from. It's called Dreamland. Tripprayar on the way to Ernakulam. These are my friends who joined me for this. And now I will make a move towards Ernakulam. Appa sherida machan mare namakku kaanam pom. He came to meet us on this bike from his home. Yeah, darling. Okay, Suru. Hello, PD. Map കിട്ടിയില്ലടാ ഇല്ലല്ലോ സിനെ മാപ്പേ പഠാ ചായനെ 60 kilometer raisa. Okay, so we are leaving Tripprayar city, Tripprayar town, which falls in Thrissur district. Next we will be entering Ernakulam district. It's a 1 hour 44 minutes ride from here and 60 kilometers away. We are going to KTM service center where we'll leave our bike there and then we'll check into our hotel.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world's
Ernakulam city, Church of God. KTM service on my right. Excuse me. We have a booking for service. Yes, 2 bikes. എന്തോ തേർഡ് ഫ്രീ സർവീസ് ആണ്. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ബുക്ക് വേണോ? ബുക്ക് ഉണ്ട് എൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ. ആ ആപ്പില്ല, നമ്മളുടെ അവിടെ ആപ്പ് നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യാറില്ല. രജിസ്റ്റർ ചെയ്യാൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ്? ശരി ശരി. അപ്പോൾ 2 വണ്ടി ഉണ്ട്. ചേച്ചി നമ്പർ നിങ്ങൾ എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ശരി ശരി ശരി. That's someone coming in Fortuner. എന്താ വൈസൻ എന്താ ഇതൊക്കെ വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടല്ലോ നീ? സവാരി ഗിരിഗിരി. My bikes are there. All getting ready. Things ഉണ്ടല്ലോ.
Both of you are riding together.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
For today and tomorrow will be this Toyota Fortuner. Avunu sir, the bikes are there in KTM service. We'll be driving now. So this guy is Anup, my classmate. 11th and 12th we did together. We are from Commerce. Yes. So now we are going to his house. We'll freshen up and then we will go to a resort.
Hello.
That's tea. This is parampuri. Parampuri भनेको के हो भने केरालाई भित्र राखेर बाहिर यो बेसनहरु हालेर फ्राई गरेको चीजलाई parampuri भन्छ. This one is parpu vada, that I know. And this one?
That's cutlet.
Okay. So let's eat something. Where are we heading to?
We are going to Putota.
Putota.
It's an island resort.
It's an island resort nearby Ernakulam. I have stayed there once. I had been to that place last time I came to Kerala. This will be my second time. There you go, Anup's kids and all, you know, they're playing there. They've got a big gang. Anup, what is that resort famous for? Can you tell us a little bit?
It's an island, and best part is you get traditional
Food?
freshwater
Fish.
Yeah.
Fish and all those things.
Whatever is available in the freshwater, you get everything.
Okay. So tonight it'll be stay at that resort. We'll have some little quality time with the friends. And then tomorrow we'll come back to Ernakulam. Tomorrow's plan I'll discuss tomorrow because I'm also not aware at the time. At this moment I don't know what is going to happen. There are some things that we need to do. That's there. So somehow we have to manage time for that. Oh man, GoPro is not able to capture. That's our vehicle parked there. It's going to be a boat ride to resort. That's the backwater. And here I am. Somebody has started already. Corona time ma Corona beer.
Corona time.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hey, can you see that backwater there? We are in an island resort this evening. Friends are coming, we'll party. Hello guys, good evening. My background is dark, and what I have done is I'm here so that room's light will come and I'm visible. We did 185 kilometers today from Calicut to Ernakulam. Our bikes are in service, you all already know that. At the moment we are in a resort called Green Lake Island. It's we have to come here in the boat and we'll stay here, relax here tonight. Two of my friends, Anupa Pukutan and Vivek PD, they will be joining us. And tomorrow I think it will be a rest day for us. We have been traveling a lot, you know, because it's not decided yet. So if tomorrow we rest, only day after tomorrow early in the morning we'll start. Otherwise it is gonna be tomorrow. So for now, thank you so much guys if you are watching this video, and I'd like to request you to watch all the videos in the series that I am doing, K2K Kathmandu to Kanyakumari. It's around 7,000 kilometers approximately, the total distance that I will be covering, but I'm yet to check what the final distance will come. Let's see. So till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next vlog. Vlog will happen tomorrow. Tomorrow also I'll be vlogging, but I'll not be riding. Good night guys. Ciao.